guys, I just wanted to come on and do an unboxing. Sarah's Day, she's like an Australian YouTube's health holistic princess or whatever she likes to call herself. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, and she actually came out with a body, well, it's called Body Bloom. Basically it's like a powder and you put it in a drink and it makes it pink drink. So here for that. Basically it's like has probiotic, prebiotic. She said it really has helped her acne, and it's like natural, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free. It finally arrived here today from Australia, so it took a while. My boyfriend actually ordered it for me for Valentine's Day, and it sold out, I think, within the first 30 minutes that it was live on Topeka's website. And it's the 27th today, and I think we ordered it a couple of days before Valentine's Day. I don't know the exact date that we ordered it, but it took a little bit to get here, obviously, but it was, hopefully it'll be worth it. So like I said, it came in a box. It has Topeka written all over it, so that's how I knew it was for me. Michael's not here. I hope he didn't want me to wait to open it. Oh, this is cute. So on the inside it has 100% to protect your order in its long journey. We use 100% biodegradable void fill made from corn and wheat. We about that life, obviously. This is cool. This is like a iridescent like coupon code thing. So it was just in the box, obviously. This is her packaging. Very much my aesthetic. Also the light pink, the name Sarah, very much me. So it says Body Bloom Inner Health and Beauty Powder, bloating skin, radiance, and well-being. It says a good source of bacteria, good source of beneficial bacteria, promotes a comfortable digestive system, promotes glowing, healthy, and smooth skin. I'm not gonna beat around the bush here. I haven't been wearing makeup in my videos. You can obviously see I have really red, like acne scarred skin. I don't have acne as much anymore because I don't know if it's like my diet or my birth control or combination, probably. I'll do a skin little overview in a minute. If you know Sarah, she started her channel because she had horrible cystic hormonal acne, and that's why she started her YouTube channel trying to find like natural cures and stuff. So she said she's been working on this for years and is super excited to come out with it, and she says that it really helps her skin. So the ingredients are prebiotic and probiotic blend, which is green banana resistant starch powder, Jerusalem artichoke inulin powder, fermented grain blend, mung bean brown rice, red lentils, chickpeas, flaxseed, millet, and quinoa. Agave added for the fermentation process, something I don't know how to pronounce, and guar gum. And then for the skin enhancement blend, it's beetroot juice powder, that's what makes it pink, Australian cherry powder, and grapeseed extract powder, sea buckthorn juice powder, amilla fruit powder, lemon juice powder, turmeric, Ceylon cinnamon, I don't freaking know, or MSM pure organic sulfur, rosemary extract powder. So that's a natural berry flavor with stevia leaf extract, and then there's certified organic ingredients. And so the directions are that you mix 1 to 2 teaspoons into 350 milliliters of water, natural juice or smoothie once a day for optimum results. Hey Siri, how many cups is 350 milliliter? So that's 1.5 cups. That's good to know. Packed in Australia from at least 12% Australian ingredients. That's pretty dope. And then organic ingredients, vegan friendly, gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO. The benefits are that it promotes glowing, healthy, smooth skin, plays a part in restoring a happy, healthy gut. You love gut health. Collagen support for healthy skin, hair, and nails, promotes a comfortable digestive system, helps to feed beneficial bacteria, a good source of beneficial bacteria, plays an essential role for collagen and keratin production. It has a 5 health star rating. There's about 28 servings. I think this was, including shipping, around $50. So obviously that's a little expensive, but it was a Valentine's Day present, and skin is something that has become so much more important to me. So my boyfriend had no problem purchasing this because he knows that, first of all, I love Sarah and I'm trying to work on my looks. So anyways, on the top it says Sarah's Day Body Bloom, bringing the balance back to beauty. And then you take the lid off and there's like packaging on it. I'm not going to open it right now. I'll open it tomorrow morning when I drink it for the first time. And you don't have to, but Sarah does keep hers in the fridge, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So this is about to get real up close personal. I have on absolutely no makeup at all. My time of the month is about to start soon, so I'd say this is pretty clear. Like, I do have freckles. You can like see some of them, but so that's not even a blemish, that's scarring. All of this is scarring. This is scarring. Scarring. That's a breakout, but it's like a flat one. Overview of my skin, and I guess we can compare it in 38 or 28, 30 days whenever we run out of this stuff. So
the next day.
let's do a taste test. Cheers.